Hello my dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Now this is not only my channel but also your channel. So যেমন দেখতে পাচ্ছেন I have again got more money as usual, তাই না? Yes, because today we are going to tell the second part of the JC Bose Beautiful Mind. Okay? And yes, before that we must have to tell our introductions, but before that I can say that we have learned means আমি এবং মৌবনি, okay? আমি হলাম দাদা, I am the grandson of my grandfather and she is the student of my grandfather, okay? So আমরা দুজনেই দাদার কাছে ইংলিশ শিখেছি বলে today we are here, of course.
Yes.
Okay, yes. And so if you also want to learn something, means also study to my grandfather, you can just tell us in the comment box and I will help you in this, okay? Then we will start a online class every day. Means okay, then it will be scheduled, okay, at that time. So before that you will have to tell us, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so let's start without a delay. So I will first start my introduction, okay?
Okay.
I am Srijan Mukherjee. I am 12 years old boy. I live in Memari, which is a small town. I read in class 7, which is I read in class 7 in a vernacular school. The name of my school is Memari BM Institution Unit 1. And also, if I talk about my hobbies, I really enjoy to drawing, singing, and also speaking English, reading English, etc. Now it's a time to you because of you to speak, okay? Because I have given my introduction in a nutshell.
Okay. Now I will introduce myself. I am Mobani Chakraborty. My parents are Vasugina Chakraborty and Pia Chakraborty. And I am a girl of 12 years old. I read in class 7 in a vernacular school named Memari Osiklan City Balika Vidyalaya, and I live in Memari, which is a small town, and my hobbies are painting, gardening, drawing, English, telling, English speaking, and I also like stamp collecting very much. So it is my introduction in a nutshell.
Wow, great. Okay, so let's start without a delay. But
Okay.
before that, we will see a small flashback. মানে আমরা আগের পার্টে যা যা হয়েছিল সেটা আরেকবার দেখে নিতে চাইবো। Means I will probably want to see that. Okay, so in the first part we had seen মানে তার কত বিউটিফুল মাইন্ডটা ছিল in his speech, তাই না? And
Yes.
he also paid respect to his mother, father and his parents too. And he did not have any discrimination between the castes. মানে হিন্দু মুসলমান এসব নিয়ে তিনি কিছু ভাবতেন না তেমন, ওকে? Okay, and he had also not forgotten to mention his playmates, his best playmates, means the son of the Muslim attendant of his father, and also the fisherman's child, you know. And he told it in his speech, and also about the father Lakma, he had also told about him, okay?
Okay.
So it is a quick flashback in a nutshell. So let's move on the second part. We see that unit 2.
Okay.
Okay. So who will start first? You.
I will start first.
Okay.
Okay. Bose means that J.C. Bose had invented several sensitive instruments, and crescograph is one of the most popular instruments of the inventions of J.C. Bose, and it is more sensitive. Actually, it also used to measure the growth
It
rate.
is used. It is used.
It is used to measure the growth rate of plants, and through his invention we can see that plants also behave as human beings, and plants are as sensitive as us, and they also take longer to respond than human beings, and both saw that they react in the same manner as us, and both also researched about it.
Okay. And I can also tell about it. Okay. I can
Okay.
also briefly describe the crescograph. So, as you know, in the first part, Bose was not given any kind of like instruments to research on something. So, মানে তুই দেখতে পাচ্ছিস যে কি how much powerful his mind was. Like he made instruments to research for himself by himself. Wow. We must respect his, his
Yes.
his work, his intelligence. Means he's
He
a
was
great,
a versatile person.
yeah. And I can say also he was a great technologist. Yes.
Yes.
So he had created crystallograph, and it is one of the most popular of him, means of his instruments, to research. And it was to see the to measure the growth rate of the plants. মানে plants এর growth rate টা measure করবার জন্য একটা যন্ত্র ছিল crystallograph. So it also is used in to see everything what is happening, like the plants are sensitive to heat, light, and also noise.
The other external stimuli.
Yeah. And when it is injected poison, মানে যখন এটাকে ইনজেক্ট করা হয় পয়জন দিয়ে, তখন এটা behaves at the same manner as we do. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So we have understood the part of the crystallograph right now,
Yes.
correctly and completely detailed. Okay. So I think you have also understood it, right?
Yes.
Now can you just tell me more about his inventions, what he had created, and something about him? Can you tell me?
Yes. We saw in the first part that Sir J.C. Bose had invented the electromagnetic waves had traveled through three solid worlds 75 meters away in the town hall of Kolkata, and after that the Italian scientist Marconi sold it and he took the patent for inventing this, and now it had been re-evaluated that Sir J.C. Bose had invented it and Marconi was not the real inventor of this thing.
Yeah. So that is great. And actually Marconi had taken patent. Patent actually. I just slipped my tongue. Means my tongue
Slip
just
of your
slipped.
tongue.
Yeah. And but you cannot ever see that J.C. Bose had taken any patent. মানে তিনি কোনো পেটেন্ট চাননি for his commercial benefit. He just wanted to help others. He just wanted to help the public.
He was selfless.
Yeah, he was selfless and he wanted the benefit for the others, not
Yes.
himself. So it is a great answer. This is a great proof of his beautiful mind. You can see.
Yes.
Yeah. So can you just tell me more about himself, because it is really too much interesting. Many more things.
Yes, I can tell you that Sir J.C. Bose was crowned with the glory of the British government, and British government also provided him the knighthood and
Yeah.
the Fellow of the Royal Society and the Companion in the Order of Indian Empire, and these are the awards of him.
Wow. You know very much, I can say. It is great. So I also love this kind of things, okay?
Yes.
Yeah. And you can also tell more about him, because I am really getting too much interested. I think you also guys are getting interested, right? It is
Yes,
really interesting story. It's not story, biography actually.
Yes. Sir J.C. Bose wrote several books, and among those, the response in living and non-living and the mechanism of the plants, and he wrote a science fiction in Bangla at first, and the name of the science fiction is Nirdeshar Khoje, and these are very much popular books.
Okay, that is really
and-
great. মানে এটা খুবই great ছিল. And like 1.5 weeks ago, I was studying here. Okay, মানে আমি এখানে পড়ছিলাম with my grandfather, and then my grandfather gave me an article written by Aldous Huxley. So do you want to know what was written in that article?
Yes, I also want to know it.
Okay, so it is really great, and I was also excited after reading it. মানে এই যে মানে একটা person, a soft minded person, যে মাংস খাওয়া ছেড়ে দিয়েছে, means he has stopped eating meat, chicken, etc. because he cannot see blood flow, he cannot see killing of an animal, মানে pain and the agony. So for that reason he has left it. So he depends, means সে শুধু এখন ভেজিটেবল খেয়েই থাকে. So if he only once even go there, তাহলে সেইখানে যে প্ল্যান্টের পেন অ্যান্ড এগোনি যেটা শো করা হয় মানে যেটা দেখানো হয়, ইফ হি এভার সিজ ইট দেন হি উইল অলসো স্টপ ইটিং ভেজিটেবলস. So now what he is going to eat? Isn't it exciting?
Yes.
Okay, so okay, now you tell the next rest of the part.
Jesse Bose had last breathed. Sir Jesse Bose had breathed his last on 23rd November in 1937, and no one can fulfill his place, and we can also salute him.
Okay, and hats off to him. Okay,
Yes.
Okay, that's the last part of this story.
Yes.
Okay, and okay, I will also keep reading this thing because this is really a great story and a great biography of himself. So I think you have enjoyed this part. So till then, bye bye. We'll meet soon in a new video, right?
Okay.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Like, subscribe, and share.